Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Akil Indrajaya, a student of Polytechnic Negeri Malang. I am in the Electrical Engineering Department, majoring in Electrical System. I come from the Sidoarjo city. In this occasion, I would like to present a task given by Mr. Eric, that is maintaining a renewable energy potential surround my village and our hometown. As we know, Sidoarjo Regency has a lot of potential. One of them is fish ponds and rice fields. In addition to having potential in the field of natural resources, fish ponds and rice fields can also be developed in the field of technology. The development can be done by utilizing the wind paths from the fish ponds and rice fields. Wind is rare now to be as a wind power electrical generator or PLTA. Therefore, the topic is host for today's presentation is the potential of wind, with the detail of utilization of wind speed around the coast in the field of technology. Natural wind is one of the resources that is renewable and inexhaustible. One main function of wind is to be used to generate the electrical power through the windmills at the power plant, or simply we can call it a power plant. In general, the working principle of PLTB is utilizing the wind gusts to rotate the windmills. Hereinafter, the windmill rotation will generate the electrical motor, and it is converted into the electrical energy. To get the maximum wind gusts, it is better to put the windmills on the coast, which is obstructed by cliff and so on. Some equipment needed for creating the PLTP includes 1. Windmill. How the windmill works? It's very simple. First of all, the windmill will rotate if the wind blows, and the axis inside the nozzle will also be rotated. Second, connecting the axis into the gearbox rotational speed will be arranging the gear rotation within the gearbox. Last, connecting the gearbox into the generator, and the generator transforms the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. From the generator, the electrical energy will go to the transformer to enhance the tension, and after that is ready to be distributed to the consumer. 2. Wind generator. There is a simple principle to make a generator utilizing wind power as the source of energy. How does it work? Making an 102,000 angel degree with the tilt angle around 12.175 degree from three windmill blades. The generator shaft is assembled on its base point. It is connected with the slip ring, starter, bars, commutator, and armature. The blowing wind will rotate the windmill so that the shaft will follow. The flux lines will be cutting off, and it causes the induction tension. The extension makes the stream fall. However, the tension product is a AC or air conditioner tension, so it needs a commutator to make the stream goes together in some the direct. The product amount of power is the bend on the windmill rotation speed, which means it dependent on the wind gust speed. 3. Wind turbines. A wind power plant can be produced by combining several wind turbines, so it generated an electricity to the power supply unit. Electricity is streamed through transmission cable and distributed to several houses, office, school, and so on. The turbine works opposing a fan. If a fan changes the electrical energy to make the wind, on the other hand, the turbine uses the wind to produce an electrical engine. The wind will rotate the angle of the turbine. The rotate a shaft in which connected with the generator. It generates an electric general turbine have a capacity around 15 and 7,015 kilowatts. On the other hand, small turbines have 15 kilowatts capacity in which used for housing area, parabolic plate, or water pumping. 4. Wind speed matter. To know how much the speed wind goes is a particular tool or parameter of wind speed is needed to measure the wind speed. An anemometer is a device in which people usually employ to measure the wind speed. Some benefits of PLDB cover. It is renewable and inexhaustible. It is environmentally friendly, since it can reduce carbon emission that can lead to the climate change. In addition, it is also pollution free because it does not produce combustion product substances. It is an effective source of energy due to the wind speed in the fishbowl and race fields is quite high. And all in all, this is the end of the presentation. I hope that this is effective. Can IT can be considered by the Sidoarjo government so that later on it can be implemented and it can help the local government to develop the technology around the fish pond and rice field. I'm sorry for my mistake and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.